Yes, sir. Yeah, we back, man. What's up? I'm glad y'all made it back too, man. We back for another one at the drip shop. You heard me? One stop drip shop. Well, let's see what we got for y'all today, man. We gonna do a double up today because I was lacking, man. RP Pop Smoke. Happy G Day, you heard? Let's see what we got. Okay, we dunking on niggas. Another pair of dunks. Yeah, the Brazil Johns. Hold on. These niggas ain't sponsoring us. You know how we coming. I mean, what can I say about these that I ain't say about the other set of dunks, man? These are just different, like the green and yellow joints. I don't think they're gonna drop this color for a minute, you know what I'm saying? These shits is just some fly nigga shit, man. This ain't some shit you wanna wear every day. You throw together a good fit, probably some blue jeans. I do these with some good blue jeans, you know what I'm saying? Or get in your bag like that. But what you want to see about these, man? I guess you want to give you a little authentication or whatever. But if you buying these fake, you just a bum ass nigga, man. Like, come on, bro. You looking for a fake pair of these, like, you know what I'm saying? What y'all want to see? I'm gonna show y'all the bottom, the top of these Johns, the insides. This ain't even gonna be a long vid, man. This shit gonna be so short and sweet. I got mad merch vids coming up. Man, shit, you dig? It's gonna be short and sweet. They got these shit tight like a motherfucking gym teacher, man. Like, fuck is up? Yeah, make sure you loosen these up for you, you know what I mean? You dripping these shits. Word, but these the Brazil Johns, man. These shits is calm. Ain't no real big rating on these. These are just like, pretty much I grab these shits just to pretty much complete the SP package, you know what I'm saying? Where that's what it is. We got all the SP joints that drop this shit and shit. So, you know what I mean? I want to show y'all what shirt I'm gonna drip with these, but I ain't got time to go get it. I'm gonna probably throw it in the next vid and shit. But I appreciate y'all tapping in with me, man. You feel me? Appreciate y'all tapping in with me. Make sure you get a good shirt with these, man. You can live a little, you know what I'm saying? Blue jeans though, blue jeans. You feel me? Live a little. It's summertime. These are summer vibe, the Brazil joints. I mean, other than this, I like the white and red ones. They sleeping on the blue and orange shits, but them shits is calm too, you heard? I'm gonna probably grab them shits. Word. But yeah, we out here, man. Drip shop, one stop, you feel me? Word. Now we coming, man. We here. What they be saying, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I be answering the comments and shit. Y'all want to tap in, you know what I mean, your little advice or however y'all want to do it, man. I'm here. Fuck with me, man. One stop drip shop. F it, you heard?